Had Rob's teeth and his gums. How's that feel on Rob?
It's not as sensitive. I can run my finger on my tongue on it, and it's not as sensitive as just before.
So how long has it been since you could do that?
How long?
Yes, since you could rub your tongue with that sensitivity.
Probably about a year.
Give me a lot of hand if something's happening here. Has the pain gone? Sensitivity gone? All gone?
Yeah.
Who's got some peanuts? I'm serious. Who's got peanuts? Is there peanuts here?
I bought my own.
What do you know? Rob used to be a Boy Scout. Oh, it's Carmen's. He's a health nut. Hey, Rob, open it up, mate. Now, Rob, normally, so you came expecting for a miracle.
Yeah.
Now, normally, could you eat a bar like that?
On one side.
So normally, on that side, really. How about with the pain be trying? How about with the pain be to try and eat that normally?
Probably about a 4.
Okay, you have a chew on that bar. The drums are rolling. How's it going?
Going good.
How about with the pain be before?
I couldn't do it. I'd have to move it over.
So you eat on the side, you couldn't do it. Now, Bob, what happened the other night?
I had a tooth that was almost ready to come out, but the Lord's filled it back up again, and I proved it by chewing on the peanuts.
Wow! And this man came armed with Carmen's bars.
Yeah, that's right. I had my own, just to prove it.
And so, how long did you need to chew on one side of your face for?
Oh, it was about 2 years, but bit by bit, I've had years. Well, ever since I can grow teeth, I've had trouble with my teeth.
And now you can chew on that other side.
Yep, both sides. I was eating some steak out there.
Eating steak! I tell you what, it's almost worth coming to this church for the food. Yeah. You know what happened yesterday? We had a seminar yesterday. They had all these tarts and cakes and food. And I thought, this is a church that fulfills prophecy. Because as I saw all the people eating the food, the verse came to me, the last day shall come scoffers. Hey, God bless you, Bob. Get on your mate.
And he heals the lame, says you can do it.